I don't put any thought to it. Words come, I put it out there and shut it out. So I have two such things I've written. Let's see. Mostly they're self-explanatory, so there's no context to it. I looked up into the winter night to witness the most magical sight of a half moon so bright made me wonder if it was really night. Glancing up onto the clear skies, I felt the cool breeze pass by my eyes, seeing the star appearing as bees, one after another, a few thousand asters. As I stared in wonder of this nature's creation, it occurred to me that most of life is but our perception. Be it tragedy or a situation, it all can be handled by our imagination, as there's no one reality and hence customization. But then, the stars, static or falling, are realities of my life's calling. I look up to reconfirm my being, small, frail, and obsessed with improvising. Okay. This is a little longish. I'd written this while I was a part of a sustainability workshop that I did at Auroville. To question is a process, one that takes time to reveal. For to discover the truest answers, a change is important. A change in our approach to things, a change in our thoughts, a change in our being, a change surpassing the intellect. If it were true, we are energy particles of the same energy whole, then truth may be for us to let go of control, to let life flourish in harmony. But what of harmony? Asks my intellect, rusted and wasted, amidst all the noise it has collected. What of harmony? What of balance? The wise say, to understand this, one must understand oneself. For all answers to harmony, balance in life, and sustainability lie within. I know me, I argue. What else is left of self? More than you would know, say the wise. Just let go to know. Thus I start my self-discovery to understand my physical, vital, mental self, sensitizing myself to my energies through sound, music, and body. Releasing the knots I've held for long, discovering new insights that I never knew of, transcending from me, myself, and I, to me as one of us. Moving along to experience that all-important thing called trust, who was long forgotten, gated, and kept away, now a new friend, a new energy in me. Somehow the tales of the old now seem true and possible, as I saw the magic of collective energies in play, orchestrated by the wise. As we move along in time, I see me, a changed woman, questioning my conscious actions and influence to bring collective change.